How to maximize the benefits of eating fruit. Avoid peeling your fruit. If you want to maximize the benefits of eating fruit, leave the peel on unless it's inedible to get more fiber and antioxidants than you would if you discarded the rind or peel before you ate it. Wash with water. You should always wash your fruit before you eat it, especially if you're planning on eating the peel. However, it isn't necessary to use soap or special fruit washes to do it. Rinsing under lukewarm water is sufficient. Cut or chop your fruit to release the nutrients. While some nutrients are best available by eating the fruit raw, others are more easily absorbed by your body if the fruit that contains them is crushed or cut into pieces. Eat fruit first thing in the morning. To maximize the benefits of eating fruit, eat it raw at breakfast in the morning on an empty stomach. Fruit has its greatest effects on detoxification and weight loss. Pair fruit with meat. Your body better absorbs iron from meat and non-meat sources alike when it is consumed, along with vitamin C, which both helps release the mineral and blocks other compounds in food that inhibit iron absorption.